Yogi Clan, what is up, y'all? I am here. We are now 6 months out from the Orphan Run. Yes, I know we just had the Orphan Run this past September, but it was delayed because of COVID. Because usually every year the Orphan Run is in April. So I am coming out right now with this video because I want to do a save the date video. So I'm requesting that you save the date. April 10th. 2021 will be the next Orphan Run at Speedway Harley Davidson in Concord, North Carolina. I have already booked it. The flyer is already made. I will post that flyer up now. But this video, I'm putting it out. I'm going to do a one-day Facebook advertisement. Spend a little money just to put out a save the date. But I want you to save this date, because you know how, if you're a subscriber to my channel, you know how important this event is to me. With 11 adoptive kids, Sacred Selections has helped me financially with 9 of those 11 adoptions. So me and my wife doing this Orphan Run is huge to us in our books. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. I would ask that you would take a moment and surf around my channel. If you see any other videos out there you like, watch them. If you like what you see, do me a favor, give a brother some love, mash that subscribe button, mash that thumbs up button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching this video right here. Because you know, again, how important this run is to me and what my passion is. I mean, I have James 1:27 tattooed on my right arm. Pure and undefiled religion before our God, our Father, is this: to visit the widows and the orphans in their time of distress. That is our family mantra. That's our family Bible verse between me and my wife. That is just what we do. We host kids, usually from either Ukraine or Latvia, every summer for a 5-week program, or every winter around Christmas for 5 weeks, to bring some of those kids over to the States and show them what the love of a family is all about. We still do that. Well, we're not doing it right now because of COVID, but had COVID not happened, we'd have a kid in our house probably within the next 2 weeks from now, because usually they come over around the beginning of December and stay through about middle of January. But hosting orphans, adoption, caring for the fatherless is just such a big thing to us and our family, that the way that I can continue to give back, not just by helping them, is by helping other families. And helping other families like we've been helped get into forever homes. Sacred Selections, what they do is they're a grant organization. They help families like ours with the financial cost of adoption, because let's face it, it's really expensive. And that's one of the biggest hurdle that many people have to adopting, is that financial hurdle. And if you have a way to just eliminate that hurdle and take it out of the picture, then that makes adoption much more of an option for people. So Sacred Selections, they donate monies to Christian families as grants. That way it ensures that any adoptive child gets into a Christian family and is exposed to Christ. And that's, you know, that lines up exactly with our family's values. So donating back to Sacred Selections like they've donated to us, because in those 9/11 adoptions, without Sacred Selections, they probably would not have happened. I couldn't have made that happen. There was just too much of a financial gap that I don't have the resources to bridge. So Sacred Selections made it possible. So just a quick little video here, share some of my testimony, and just say, please, if you can, put April 10th, 2021, Speedway Harley Davidson. We're going to do a bike blessing. We're going to do the bike blessing all day. So we'll probably be there from 10 o'clock until it'll probably be over by 3. So if you want to get your bike blessed, come on by. If you want to come by and donate, come by and make a donation. We're going to have food. We're going to hopefully have a live band. We're going to have a ride that'll go maybe 70, 80 miles. I've already lined up a police escort. It is going to be epic again. So last year was epic. Last year we raised $6,700. Our biggest year ever. The most The next highest we've ever raised annually is $4,000. So I want to crush this $6,700 mark. I want to go for $7,500, maybe even 10 grand. Last year we had 80 bikes. This year I want 150 bikes. So help me make this event epic. So save the date, put it on your calendar, check out Facebook, Yogi Cycle Service, my Facebook page. I'm going to create an event on there. You can sign up on there, or you can go to Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, our public page. The event will be posted there. Click on there, say, hey, I'm going. That way we can get a head count and make sure we have enough food to feed all of y'all. It's probably going to be pork again. We're going to do barbecue. Homegrown, homemade barbecue made by a donor. Allward Masonry. Support them. Come on out. If we have extra pork left over, we're going to be, last year we sold some of the extra pork shoulders. We're going to be selling t-shirts, and 100% of this money goes to Sacred Selections, and dollar for dollar, every money that comes into Sacred Selections goes help families like ours with the cost of adoption. Sacred Selections, the people who work for them do not draw any kind of salary or income, so everything you goes to them, goes to a family like ours. And that to me is an awesome cause. So help me. Calling out for help. Help support Yogi Cycle Service. Help support my family in giving back to Sacred Selections. So I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Put the date, April 10th, 2021, Concord, North Carolina, Speedway Harley on your calendar. Bike Blessing starts at 10. The ride starts at 11. We'll be back at the Speedway about 12:30, and I hope to see you there. All right, Yogi Clan. Thanks for joining. I'll catch you later. Peace.